Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing our spice rack and I'm going to be showing you guys these new spice containers that I got from Amazon. So let's get started. So this is the packaging. There's 4 racks in a box. It's made out of acrylic, so it's lightweight but it's still very durable. I also got these spice containers here. I did the measurements and they should fit perfectly. It comes with a lot of stuff. They gave us a screwdriver as well as a leveling tool, which is really awesome for the price to come with so many different things. But what I'm deciding to do is use some command strips, and I got the ones that hold up to 16 pounds. But remember guys, when they say it holds up to 16 pounds, they mean all of the command strips together holds this amount. So don't use 2 thinking that it's gonna hold 16 pounds. You have to use all of the ones that are in the package. So let's get started and see how this holds up. On these racks, they have 2 little notches in here so that you can put the side barrier, and they just click into place just like that. I think that's a really good design because you don't want your spices sliding around in here. So it's just an added protection just to give you some peace of mind. It's not very hard to snap into place, and once they do, it seems very sturdy, so that's good. So I already put some command strips on here. Now we're going to just install this. So this is the leveling tool that they provided in the packaging. So I'm just going to put that in the center and then take off the plastic on the back of the command strips. And I can't stress this enough, make sure you use all of the command strips in the packaging to make sure you get the maximum hold. So now that I know that it's level, I'm going to go ahead and push the command strips against the wall very firmly to make sure that it sticks. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's start with the next one. So these are the containers that I got from Amazon. I haven't washed them yet, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks inside the rack. And as you can see, they fit perfectly and they're just a big enough size to where I can fit a lot of seasoning in there. So now that I finished cleaning the containers, I'm going to start putting the labels on them. And I'm only going to use the labels of the spices that I use the most frequent because I always have a big bulk of that. And so it'll be nice to just have those handy. So let's start putting the labels on. Just FYI, the labels that you see here are not the ones that came with these containers. I bought them separately off of Amazon, but I'll have the link provided below. Got the seasoning out. I don't have a lot right now, but for the sake of the video, I want to put what I have in the jar so you can see what it all looks like. I'm not affiliated with Thrive Market, but guys, they have a lot of good organic seasoning for super cheap. So if you are like me and love seasoning, go to Thrive Market and get you guys some seasoning there. Instead of just bulky glass jars everywhere, it may seem like you're just transferring a jar into a jar. I would just recommend using Thrive Market seasoning packets. So let's start transferring. Can make such a big difference in the functionality and look of your home, and I hope I was able to give you guys some inspiration. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye.